Hi folks, this is your old pal Uncle. Please check out The Ungrateful Peasant with Wayne G. I hope I got the right sign. Can't see a damn thing. I feel like a Democrat. Okay, let me take this off. I hope I got the right sign. Okay, yeah, it's The Ungrateful Peasant with Wayne G. Put that right down here. Take off the mask. Okay, since a lot of you people out there in YouTube land are experiencing a little trouble loading up, welcome to the YouTube ghetto. Now that means you're not part of the special group of YouTubers, that YouTube thinks you're valuable, and they consider you scum. So like most scum in history, you're in a ghetto. Welcome aboard. Here's your old pal Uncle, mayor of YouTube Ghetto. So instead of giving you a star, you take your Post-it and you put this yellow sticker on your shirt. That way they could identify you as a YouTuber. So please check out The Ungrateful Peasant. That's Wayne G. He has an EOM report, that's end of the month report of August 2020. And it's getting there, folks. And remember, I keep telling you, number one, nothing is normal anymore. Okay? Now, I have to do this quick because I don't know if they're going to scramble me off. But right here is all my friends. If you can see that. Yeah, I know Uncle has horrible handwriting. Okay? Doesn't matter what you do on YouTube. If you're on their list, welcome to hell. Okay? Because they don't like Uncle Al. He speaks the truth. And a lot of people, oh no, it's not going to happen that way. It is. Okay, check out these people. And then we have the Padawans. We got Let's Talk About Prepping, that's Tyler. We have Galvin, that's GM Survival. We have Happy Prepper. We have Yosemite Prepper, and still missing in action is AK Fab. And I'm getting old. And don't get all these people right here. Yeah, they say, I'm gone, why don't you get high tech? I'm gone low tech, and I don't know what hell I'm doing most of the time. I have remember how to save America, truth, justice, an American way. But unfortunately, I'm gone. Can't remember where I put all the secrets that's supposed to help most 90. What they told me, my hallucinations. They said not to forget the bag and the bucket. You stash it away and keep forgetting it. I always love it when my hallucinations reminds me where to find items. It's like, God, this is ridiculous. Okay, make sure you check out all these people right here. If you can see that. I'm supposed to be on the couch taking a nap listening to Artie Shaw or Gene Autry. I like Gene Autry. If you have rioters in your neighborhood, play Gene Autry on the loudspeaker, one of his yodeling songs, on a loop constantly. That drives away rioters constantly. Okay? And don't forget, tonight is Just in Time's Prepping. That's Will Russell. Okay, that's the old type. Will, you got to send me the new type. I don't know what time, so please check them out. And, oh yeah, Wayne. I think it's Wayne. I keep forgetting. I have his card here someplace. Uncle's getting old and he's losing it. I'm always losing it. Tired. And we have these folks right here. Now, Old School Prepper did a really good thing on dehydrating peppers. I really enjoy that. And there's Wayne. Okay? Now, who's laughing at old Uncle Al? I told you the 5 phases. Nobody ever listens to Uncle Al. Fine. Okay? First phase, disease. Second phase, weather and natural disaster. Third phase, starvation and economic warfare. Number 3 is the biggest thing next to number 2 and number 1. Number 3 is coming close within 2 weeks. Okay? Christmas, Thanksgiving, Halloween is canceled. A lot of people don't understand that because it has to deal with number 1 and number 2 and number 3. Okay? Christmas is gone. Forget it. Write it off. They're going to have spam and potatoes if they're lucky. 2, Thanksgiving. They're going to have toast and probably cold cereal. Maybe popcorn on the side. Number 3, Halloween. Forget about Halloween, folks. Okay? With these nuts running around, that's number 4. Them. I've been warning you about them. Everybody's laughing. Oh, Uncle Al's crazy. There's no aliens land here in December 27th, 2019. Go look outside. Go look at our cities burning. Go look at our colleges, in our schools, our teachers, our lawyers. And you call Uncle Al nuts? Either you pull your head out of your butt and take a good look around what's going on. And then tell me, is Uncle Allen nuts? If you believe Uncle Allen nuts, wear the little square. If you're a free man, don't. You're not a number, you're a free man. You're a free black man. So don't listen to these people. Black Lives Matter. No, they're not. They're Black Lives Murderers. Out of the 30, or is it 40? Out of the 40 people they killed, or 30. I lost track. I keep forgetting what day this is. I think it's September the 1st or the 2nd. But anyway, they killed more people than the cops did. Cops had every reason to shoot those exaggerated people. Now, one, I trust Tim Pool. And he's right. Journalism has sold out to the North Koreans and the Chinese. So you have no idea who they're working for. Okay, follow the money trail. If you read Twitter, Twitter's a big, well, we won't say that, but their boss is not the guy, the white guy in charge. He's a CEO, and he's a white guy, and he's the front man for Kim Who. Okay, ask him that question. I hope the FBI's and Security Regulation Board, SEC, or FTC, or FFCCC, I forget. But somebody better investigate. Somebody better investigate Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, WeChat, and shoot, there's another group, TikTok. There's a whole bunch of apps that are actually criminal organizations for China or North Korea. And I forgot who's the other one. Hey, never have 2 strokes and brain damage. And my family says, you know, the nice man, Mr. Musk, he wants you to try out a human trial of the brain chip. Hell no. Okay? I don't want to be an electrified zombie going, Robocop, Uncle Al, you must all die. Hell no. Before they put a chip in my head, I'll fight them all. Okay? So please check out Wayne, the Ungrateful Peasant. That's Wayne G. I gotta keep this short, under 10 minutes. Remember, 4 is them. 5, I told everybody, including Wayne, they're coming for your kids. And people still laugh at Uncle Al. I've been saying this a year and a half, and I'm getting tired of repeating myself. So if you don't believe Uncle Al, wear the little yellow square and stay in YouTube ghetto. I'm a free man. I don't believe this crap. And I'm going to fight them. I fight everybody. Catch you later, folks.